Hello, financial fans. A good beginning to the year for the stock market. This is Saturday, and yesterday, Friday, was the last day of the first week of trading, the first partial week of trading on the stock market. And the results thus far, year to date, S&P 500 is up. The S&P 500 is up 1.47% for the year to date, this year being 2023. And the diamonds, which is the Dow Industrial Average, DIA, Dow Industrial Average, called the diamonds, it's exchange traded fund. It is up 1.49% year to date. That's the 30 Dow stocks. QQQ is the NASDAQ, the total NASDAQ stocks, all of the NASDAQ stocks together are up 0.95%, almost 1% for the year to date. And IOO, which is the 100 biggest NASDAQ stocks so far this year, up 1.47%. My portfolio, how am I doing? Well, I had a stellar performer in my stocks that are in my portfolio. CAG, ConAgra, did very, very well this first week. My stocks are up 3.59% year to date. Now, I don't expect that to continue being the case, but I'm looking at the possibility of selling my ConAgra Monday or Tuesday sometime. The stock is up. It's done very well for me. I bought it on 9/13 of 21, a little over a year ago, and I bought it for $33.44 a share. It pays a decent dividend, over 3%, and so I had $33.44 invested into it, and it is now worth over $40 per share. So it did very well for me and helped lift my portfolio up a lot. Now let's look at some stocks that have some interesting numbers for this first trading week of 2023. We will begin by looking at Equinor, ASA, EQNR is the symbol. And the column on the left, 2/3 of the way down, 52-week range, $27.03. And the high for the year, the $27.03 was the low, and $42.53 was the high price per share for Equinor in the past 52 weeks. The average volume, about 3 million shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be undervalued. These pages are from Yahoo. They have excellent financial information at Yahoo Finance. Middle column, third item down for Equinor, EQNR. The PE ratio, 4.22. I like anything less than 10, and 4.22 is way less than 10 PE ratio. Earnings per share, $7.55. That's quite a bit for a stock that's trading for $31.86. Actually, after hours, it's trading for $31.93 per share. The forward dividend and yield, not very big, 2.48%, about 2.5% dividend on this stock. And the one-year target estimate, $44.93, and that would be a big jump from where it is right now. Next, we look at Fifth Third Bancorp. I do own this stock. FITB is the symbol, and it closed up 4% on Friday at $34.47, and then after hours it dropped a little bit to $34.28. 52-week range for FITB, $30.92 was the low price per share, and the high price per share was $50.64. The average volume, about almost 5 million shares trade every day. middle column, PE ratio 10.64. That's pretty nice. It's close to 10. The forward dividend and yield 3.8%, almost 4% is the yield on the FITB. The 1-year target estimate $39.91, which would be a nice move upward if it does happen. Next we look at KEY, another stock I do own, KEY Corporation. It was up almost 3% on Friday to $18.37. After hours it dropped a little bit to $18.23 per share. 52-week range, $15.26 was the low, so it's pretty close to the low right now, and $27.17 was the high price per share during the past 50 weeks or 52 weeks. Average volume, a little over 11 million shares trade every day, and this stock is considered to be near fair value. The PE ratio, 8.35, which is under the 10 number that I keep looking for. Forward dividend and yield, 4.7% dividend, which is a good yield for a dividend stock, although inflation is outrunning the dividend yields right now. 1-year target estimate, $20.69, be a slight move upward from where it is, and if the dividend hangs in there and the stock price increases, that would be a nice holding for the next year. Vermilion Energy is our next stock we look at, VET. VET is the symbol, and we look at the 52-week range. $13.44 was the low, $30.17 was the high, and it's right now at $15.11 after hours, and it was up on Friday and up after hours, so $15.11 per share is the current price. Average volume, 2,154,000 shares trade every day, and the PE ratio, 2.73. The forward dividend and yield, they're not giving out much of their earnings per share, $5.53. They're certainly not giving it out as a forward dividend. The dividend yield less than 2%, about 1.5%. And the 1-year target estimate, look at that, $36.93. And I thank you very much for watching.